Question number 22 of exercise 5C. Okay. In this question, they are saying that a person is there who has to invest $8,000 in two different companies. Okay. In two different companies. Company A Company A is offering 4.9% 4.9% rate per annum simple interest. Okay, simple interest. This is being offered by company A. Okay. Now there is another company B, and that company is offering rate of 4.8% 4.8% per annum 4.8% per annum compounded half yearly per annum, and then they are saying it is compounded half yearly. Okay, these are the two things given to me. Now person want to invest it for 4 years. Time is given for 4 years. This has to be done. Okay. A part, number one part is saying which company should be the money should be invested. Okay. So for that, first of all, I have to find how much will be the total amount that person is going to receive. Okay. So first of all, over here, I equals to PRT over 100. Okay, because I have to find the total amount, and total amount formula over here is A equals to P plus I. P I have got over here. I have to find I to solve my question. So plotting values 8,000. R is 4.9. Time is 4 years divided by 100. Okay. So solving it by using calculator beta. When I will simplify it, the interest is coming $1,568. Okay, so what will be the total amount? 8,000. That is my principal plus $1,568. That is my interest. So my final answer is going to be $9,568. Okay, the amount which I am going to receive from company A. Now coming to company B, again I have to find the total amount, right? So formula for compound interest will be P1 plus R over 100 whole power n. Okay, now they are saying it is compounded half yearly. So what will I do? P will be 8,000. 1 plus R will be 4.8 divided by 100. Now in per annum means 1 year, how many half yearly I will have? So in a single year I am going to have 2 half yearly. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this thing by 2. Means 4.8 is getting divided by 2 over here. Okay. After that, I have to put the value of n. What will be the value of n? So I am going to calculate that in 4 years, how many half yearly I am going to have. So in single year, we have got 2 half yearlies. In a single year, we have got 2 half yearly. So multiplying it by 4, it means I have got total 8 half yearlies in 4 years. So that 8 will be plotted over here. Okay, that it will be plotted over there. After that, I'm simplifying it. When I have simplified this thing, it's coming A equals to 8,000 multiply by simplifying this part, it's coming 128 over 125 whole power 8. Whole power is coming 8 over there. Okay, so when I will simplify this thing and multiply by 8,000, I have simplified this, multiplying it by 8,000. My final answer is coming 9671.4 dollars. Okay, so now you can see the difference. The difference is that after 4 years, by putting it in this company, the person is receiving this much amount, and after 4 years, putting it in this one, person is receiving this amount. So it means that of course the person is going to be putting it in this one. Okay, that's the first thing. Now in the second part of the question, they are saying find the difference between the interest which both companies is offering. So for this company, I have already got my interest. Okay, I have to find interest of this one. So interest will be amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal, and when I will subtract it, what is my amount coming? 9671.4 minus 8,000. So interest is coming 1671.4 dollars. That's the interest coming. Now, last thing, I have to find the difference between both interest which is given over here. So, what is my first interest? 1671.4 minus 1568, and when I will simplify it, I will be having a difference of $103.4 in interest. Okay.